I lost around $90 today trading the S&P, and here's the trade. Alright, so this is the trade on the S&P or ES, whatever you want to call it. This right here, as you guys can see, once market opened, we had a push to the upside. If we would have taken out this high, then my bias would have changed for buys. But instead, if we go to the higher time frames, obviously we're bearish and we were breaking lows as well, right? So if we would have taken out this high right here that was on London session, I would have, changed my bias to buys, right? We had a push to the upside right here on market open, and then we had a push to the downside, and then we created a supply zone. That supply zone, literally, once it got tapped into, it rejected immediately with a good Diddy bearish candle, bro. Look at that, right? Of course, I'm not going to join once it flips bearish. I have to wait for a confirmation candle, so I waited for a break of the candle, which it did happen right there. But I entered it a little bit earlier just because I already had a feeling that it was going to, break the candle, which it did. Either way, I would have entered the trade. But as you guys can see, I got stopped out. We were just on drawdown. I was trying to take out this previous New York low. Sorry, not high, low right here, which is right here. I thought we were gonna grab this low, which we, it didn't end up happening. As you guys can see, we tapped into the supply zone. Break of the candle happened. Higher times were bearish. But yeah, I was just on drawdown and we got stopped out. And that's pretty much it. Right here on gold, I did have a trade that I should have taken, but I did not want to take just because gold has been moving pretty garbage lately. This is the trade right here. We have a 13 EMA breakout, candle closed below the 13 EMA, right? And as you guys can see, we ran this up for a 1 to 3. Did not take this just because I was waiting for S&P, and as well as I haven't traded gold in about since last week. Look, as you guys can see, we were just consolidating, and then we broke out to the downside. But I did not want to take this trade just because we were really bearish. I just thought that we were gonna have a reversal once market open, which we didn't. So but yeah, either way, this trade was the one that gave me the reversal. But yeah, I ended up losing $90, which is okay. We still have next week, so hopefully that goes well, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, now I was break even on the month. Now I am down on the month. So hopefully next week covers it up. But yeah, other than that, make sure you guys go join the Discord. It's completely free. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram and follow me on here as well.